guys, here we go. Try and bear with us the noise, because I've actually got Ray working on the milling machine. This is the test batches. So far so good. We're actually milling our own breadcrumb, which we've had a high demand for, both in the carp bait industry and the match guys. So we've had a real big demand for this. As you can see, it actually makes such fine bread. The carp just love this. This love this bait, and we're actually starting to the market sell this. So come and give us a shout, get some prices on it. We've got a lot more stuff going on though. We've got a lot of ingredients available, which I should just pan round. As I say, the breadcrumb's available, but obviously to the trade, we've got the glycerins arriving, we've got the whey powders, semolinas, we've got tiger nut, chew soya, and if we just whiz round, I'll take you back through to the other section. A lot of it went out yesterday, but we've got available for all you guys, the match guys. We've got all the whole range of coatings, pellets. As I say, next week we've got more pellets arriving. It's literally going out weekly. We're going to get you some really good prices on this pellet, so you can buy it from us. It would be the cheapest in the country. So you don't have to pay silly money like £3 a kilo. I don't want you to be paying that. You'll be paying £25 for a sack of pellets, 20 kilo pellets. These pellets are just brilliant. The carp just love these pellets, and as I say, it's the best pellets available. It's the copings pellets, designed for carp feeding. The carp love it. They put on great weight, and they just love feeding on this stuff. So that's just a small section of what's here. We've got some more pellets arriving next week, so be quick, phone me up your orders, and let's get fishing. Cheers guys. Alright, just a quick aerial view of the unit. It looks like a mess, but it's not really a mess. We've got some more racking coming in shortly. As I say, Ray's down there busy doing. Just give you a quick overview of some of the stuff, what's going on. So we've got rolling tables, mixing machines. Over in the corner there, it's all going to be changed. We've got racking and tables going in, etc. But yeah, just a little view of what's going on.